In this video, we'll cover steps for installing the Graco SnugRide 35 Lite family infant car seat base using the vehicle belt. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle owner's manual on hand, and make sure your vehicle is on level ground. Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding. To start your installation, push the car seat base against the vehicle seat back. Make sure at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Check the level indicator to make sure it's level to the ground and positioned correctly for your baby's age. If your base does not have a level indicator, check the red level line on the side of the base. It should be parallel to the ground. If it isn't, adjust the base recline until the level indicator is in the correct range. Route the shoulder belt and lap belt through the rear-facing belt path and buckle the vehicle belt, making sure the belt lies flat and is not twisted. Next, lock the vehicle seat belt by pulling the shoulder belt all the way out and then let it go back in. You will hear a clicking sound. Slowly pull out on the belt and it should be locked. If not, review your vehicle owner's manual. Then, press down firmly on the center of the base while pulling on the shoulder belt to tighten, while feeding the slack back in the retractor. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure the installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the belt is routed and slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. Recheck the level indicator with the child in the seat. Make sure the level indicator is in the correct range for your child's age, or make sure the red level line is level to the ground. Check the harness. For rear-facing car seats, harness slots should be at or below the child's shoulders. Raise or lower the harness as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Check the chest clip. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. Do the pinch test. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful and proper installation of the Graco SnugRide 35 Lite infant car seat.